Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Edwin Ortiz. I am the founder and owner of Royal Lost Co. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the stone number 7 of the Chakra Stone. I cannot pronounce this, the name of the stone. I'm going to write it down below because I cannot pronounce it. So I'm going to write down the name. This stone turns out amazing, even though I had some hiccup during the video with the fragrance, but it turns out beautiful. It smells amazing. And if you got this kind of video, keep watching. Subscribe to my channel. This collection is going to be available on September 29 after 8 a.m. at www.royallostco5.com. And now let's start with the video. And we are in the last stone of the chakra stone, and this one it is Amethyst. I cannot pronounce this name, but look at how beautiful. I'm gonna write the name in the down. It is kind of purple with a little bit of white. It is different kind of purple. So this is the 7th chakra. The name is the crown chakra. The location that you're going to put this stone is over above the top of your head. The stone can be purple, white. The healing quality is for energy. I cannot pronounce these two last words. Oh my God. Concione. I'm going to put it down. Don't worry about it. You're gonna read it. And if you're gonna put this stone in your house, you can place it in your spiritual sanctuary or meditation space. So this is the last stone, the stone number 7 for this, and this is the inspiration for this soap. So I hope you guys like it. I really love it, and it is a beautiful, amazing stone. I really like it. So now the fragrance for this soap, I went a little bit Caribbean because I'm from Puerto Rico, so the name of this fragrance is Caribbean. It is a really fruity fragrance, and the color that we're gonna use, let me see, the purple, pawpaw purple. Is this one from my Mica, and we're gonna go with grape Nihai. It is lighter, a little bit lighter purple. And we're gonna use this one to do the white sparkly part of this soap. It's called Snowflake Sparkly Mica from Cranberry. And we're gonna add a little bit of titanium dioxide to this. Just a little bit, not too much. And this time I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna just add the mica straight to the butter. To the soap, because I think when I mix it up, I think I am wasting some colors of mica. So I'm gonna try to do different this time. And now we're gonna mix the Lye Water with the butters and oil. The temperature, it is in the cold side, is 76, and the water is 75. It is almost perfect. Because I like to do in the cooler. That way I can play with the butter. Let's take the bubbles out and let's add the water, the Lye Water. And now we're gonna mix it up. Let's close this. We're gonna mix it up for a few seconds. Okay, let's turn this out. I'm sorry for the table is a little bit dirty because I've been doing soap all afternoon. So they're gonna mix it up. Just a little bit. Let's put everything together. Nice. Perfect. Okay, I like it like this. Running, beautiful. So let's separate this into other containers. So we're gonna have 3 containers for this soap, for 3 different colors. I mean, Like I said, I'm sorry for the mess. This one gonna be the 2 accent color. And we're gonna add some more in here. Let me see. It's almost even. Let's put a little bit more. Okay. Now let's clean this container around. Because I'm gonna add, like I said, I'm gonna add the mica straight to the butter and the oil. We're gonna start with Pawpaw Purple. Okay. Let's see if this work. Okay, guys. Don't judge me if I make a mess. I'm doing this just like that for the first time. And now we're gonna add. Let me just put this here. I want to add grape Nile. Oh my god, these names are killing me. These names are killing me. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna add now the Snowflake Sparkly Mica in this one. Okay, let's just add it. Oh, it's a lot of glitter flying around. Okay. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of titanium dioxide. That's it. And now we're gonna add the fragrance. A little bit on each one. And then more here, and here, and here. It smells amazing, this. It really do. It really does smell amazing, guys. And now let's try the experiment. Oh my god, I'm so scared. We're gonna try with this one, I guess. Oh my goodness, let's see if I'm gonna make a mess. I did it right. I don't want this to get I think I did it right. Where is it? I think I did it right. Okay, let's go with this one now. Just a little thing. I hope so. And now we're gonna go with the to me this one look more purple than this one. I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it up by hand a little bit. I think it looks okay, but yeah, this one is a little bit, I don't know, a little bit more purple than this one. I don't know, maybe it was because this one is more amount, yeah. But I don't want, that's okay. Now we're gonna add this one. Let's do the white one because in the Spanish version of this video, of this soap, the white one got hard faster. I'm gonna go this way. Look at that, beautiful. Okay. Okay, scraping everything. And now let's add this one. See, this one is a little bit more purple, but that's okay. No big issue. No big issue, guys. And because the fragrance is everything. And now we're gonna add this into the mold. Like this. Look at those colors. Oh my god, yes, 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 yes. Amazing. Beautiful. I'm gonna tap it down. I'm gonna tap it down a little bit for the bubble. Hold on. Look at that. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's better than the other one, the Spanish version. Let's tap it down. So now I'm back. Let's do this part. Let's push the soap into the mirror. Look at these colors are so beautiful. I can see the glitter too, like it is so amazing. Let's keep pushing, bring it to the center. And then we're gonna go to the other side again too. Okay, let me put more here. Like that. Oh my god, the fragrance is to die for. To die for, guys. You're gonna love this fragrance. And the last one. And now what I do, the posticle stick, I just make it a little bit flat, like that. Where did this one go? That way I can put the stone. I'm gonna learn how to. I promise you guys that I'm gonna learn how to say this, the name of this stone. Let me make a little bit like that. Okay. And now we're gonna add the beautiful. I don't know how to say the name, but you know what I mean. It's amazing, beautiful stone. Let's add one here. Okay. Oh, it went a little bit to the side. Okay. And I have this big one. I'm gonna give this one away. I'm gonna go here. It is huge. So beautiful. Let's keep adding more. This one. I forgot to put the rubbing alcohol, but that's okay. Put it after that. Let's keep looking for beautiful stone. Okay, let me see which one. This one. Okay, this one is too dark, but it's big. I'm gonna give it to somebody. Come on. And now let's add this one here. And the last one, the lucky one, is this one. I'm gonna put it to the side. Let's spray some rubbing alcohol. Bam, 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 bam. And this is it, guys. Let me clean the mold on the outsides. And look at this beautiful, beautiful soap. I'm so happy with these soaps. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Look at this beautiful. Look at that. Do you guys see something like this? I don't think so. And it's the smell. Oh my god, you're gonna love this smell. So we're gonna come back in 48 hours to cut this low into bars and see the insides. It was not supposed to look brown, but I didn't read the instruction. 21, hello, thank you. I didn't read the instruction of the fragrance, and it said that it would turn the soap brown. So this one, let's see how it look inside. Vamos a cortar el primero a ver cómo se ve. Adentro se ve bien. Inside it look beautiful. It look like the stone. Thank you guys to get to the end of this video. Look how the soap turns out. This is the stone, and like I say, it was my fault. I didn't read the instruction of the fragrance, and it said that it will turn the soap brown, and it did. Most of the white, it turns out kind of brown, but the soap came out amazing. It smelled beautiful, and the most important thing is the benefit from my soap to your skin. That is the most important thing about my soap. This soap and all my collection is going to be available September 29 after 8 a.m. at www.royalloveco5.com. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up and your comment, and grab one of these soap, and you're not going to regret it. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.